Hello, this is just a short video in the Stitch With Me in 2026 workshop where I show you how I attach my fabric pages to the spine so we can create our book. Now this is a procedure that you can do at the end in December when all our prompts are completed, each page. Or if you're like me and you want to get a head start, you can start attaching the pages when you have sets of 2 done. So being in the month of June, we'll have 3 pages done or 6 prompts. I'll show you how I attach the spine and the pages. It's very quick. And then there'll be future videos, in addition to the prompts every month, of attaching the covers and then attaching the entire book. So I hope you find this video helpful.
So to start assembling the pages of our book, we need the pages that are completed, front and back, in the order that they were created, or you can do whatever order you like. You need to make sure when you stitch your pages together that one side is closed and the other side is open 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And that gives you enough space to bind your book. So I have 3 completed pages to this point. And if you want to start, you can start now, or you can completely do all the pages at once at the end of the year. I'm offering this now for the people that enjoy starting it. So to start with, let's go over the spine. The spine is just a piece of fabric, a minimum of 18 inches long. This one is a little longer than 18. So if I have my ruler here, I like to make it just a little bit longer. It gives me some leeway. So this is probably 19 inches. It doesn't have to be that much longer. And what I did is I accordion folded it starting in the center so that I have longer edges. Now this edge, doesn't matter if it's the front or the back, is just twice as long as this one. It just makes it easier or more difficult, depends on how you look at it. We're not going to touch those sides, but each of these is folded 1.25 inches. I have my marks, and then I pressed it with an iron. And then to store it, to keep that fold, I just use these little clips. So now decide which side you want the front of your book. This spine is not going to show. We're going to cover this completely. But I like to have the nice fabric facing out. It doesn't matter. If you prefer your fabric facing in, have it facing in. So each of these folds are 2 pages. So there should be 6 mountains. And that's exactly what there is. So I'm going to start with the longer section for my cover. I might trim it down so it might not matter, but I do like having that leeway. And the ends here for the covers are longer than 1.25 inches. So this one's between 1.75 inches and 1.5, maybe a little more. And this one's much longer, but that doesn't matter. So I'll start with my first page. I have my first prompt for January and February stitched mostly around. The sides are pressed, so I have a nice even seam here. And I'm just going to go to my first mountain, trying to keep the rest of it out of the way. So I'll just hold that down. And I'm going to just attach this over that mountain. I want to make sure that I can fold everything, all the pages back down together, just like that. So when I have that good on both sides, I'll take a pin or a clip and hold it together. And now I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm going to stitch all the way around the perimeter. If you want, you can double stitch the edge and that will hold it in place. So that would be our first prompt. And after I stitch that, I'll do the same thing with the second and the third. And so here, when I have my pages stitched, I have the beginning of my book. That's my cover is going to go here. So I have page 1, page 2, page 3. And then I have the remainder for my remaining 6 prompts here. So I can set this in my bin with all my Stitch With Me in 2026 supplies and just add to it when I'm ready. Halfway through the year and the book is coming along.
So that's just a quick video of how I attach my pages to my spine to get it ready to complete the book in a few months. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to snap a photo of your work and post it in our Facebook group, just to show how you attach your pages to your spine, feel free to do that. We'd love to see your work. Thanks for joining me today.